exploring the phrase, lean times. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into an English phrase that you might have come across but weren't quite sure about its meaning. The phrase is, lean times. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in context. Lean is an adjective that generally means thin, especially in terms of lack of fat. It can be used to describe both people and objects, like a lean person or a lean piece of meat. When used metaphorically, as in the phrase, lean times, it means a period where resources are scarce or lacking. It often refers to challenging times, especially concerning finances or provisions. To help you grasp the concept better, let's go over a few examples. 1. During the economic recession, many families faced lean times and had to cut back on their expenses. 2. Farmers often prepare for lean times by storing extra crops. 3. She started her business during a lean time in the industry, but her persistence paid off. From these examples, we can see that lean times can refer to different challenging situations, from economic downturns to personal financial challenges. It's always good to know synonyms or alternative ways to express a particular idea. For lean times, some common synonyms include hard times, tough times, periods of scarcity, difficult days. These can be used interchangeably depending on the context, but they all convey a similar sentiment. So, there we have it. Lean times refers to periods of scarcity or challenge, especially in terms of resources or finances. It's a phrase that paints a vivid picture, making it a valuable addition to your vocabulary. We hope this video shed some light on the meaning and usage of lean times. Keep learning, and until next time, happy studying.